if this video is gonna be a little like not too good, but sorry, it's just I had to make a little quick video since I haven't made it in a while. So we're just gonna make a little what's inside. Since I was wondering what's inside this fire alarm thing. So let's just get into it, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna try to throw it, try not to hit my dogs, but let's just go. Wait, did it actually open? Yes, sir! Oh, it actually opened it now. Alright. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sorry about that. I guess we got like some kind of like what the, I guess we got some kind of like switch thing. I don't know what this is for. Maybe like power something on, maybe a power it on or something. And I guess that's like the circuit board thing. This is probably, I guess, like the opening thing. And I guess that's pretty much it, because I mean I kind of opened it now, so I guess, yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss another video. So make sure you subscribe. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers. So, and yeah, see ya.